and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri, and I love changing my hair. I know the lighting is kind of crazy. I'm in my son's bathroom, so forgive me. And yes, I look like shit. I am hopefully going to be posting this. We'll see what happens. But I have done super bold, colorful colors for about 5-6 years now, and haven't really had normal hair for a long time. And as you can see, 99.9% of the pink is out of my hair. I do have just a little bit left in my mid-length. You can see that my roots obviously have grown out a lot, and all the pink is out of the ends. I look like crap right now. I'll brush my hair out, but I'm about to color my hair, and I'm aiming for, these are the two colors that I got, kind of like a purple plummy color. I'm aiming for like black cherry, so I do have some of my K-Pack in the purple. I think I'm going to add a little bit of that. I have my mixing bowl, my brushes and stuff like that already. I have not washed my hair in 3 days, which I always do that. I only wash my hair twice a week because it is so thick and I have a lot of texture in my hair. So here's your before. Y'all pray for mama. I'm going to brush it out, mix it up, and then I'll come back on and kind of show you my process because I don't start on the root area, obviously, because that's already dark. And the warmth of your body temperature is going to make the roots process a lot faster. So, and if you hear dogs and kids and husbands in the background, then sorry, not sorry, that's life. So I'm going to brush my hair out, mix up the color, and then I will be right back. Okay, I am back. My hair is brushed out. One last look. No more blonde. I really want to go dark. This is what we are working with. Just with fall and stuff like that coming up. I really like to go a little bit darker. That's kind of what I used to do before I was doing colorful hair, and I already broke my glove. I don't have any more, so yay, this is really going to be fun. So I am going to separate my hair, top and bottom. And just kind of zhuzh that part out of the way, and then always make sure that you brush your hair out whenever you are getting ready to color, so you don't have any knots or anything like that in your hair. And I am aiming first for my mid-length, just from here to about here, where obviously it's still pretty dark and doesn't have much blonde on it. We want to kind of avoid the root area for now. Again, your root area is going to process a lot faster because of the warmth of your scalp. And my roots are already dark, so they don't need as much time. And I'm not aiming for keeping this on longer than probably 20 minutes or so, just because it's going to change pretty rapidly. Yeah, so I'm excited about this. I haven't had normal-ish color, even though I guess some people wouldn't say burgundy purple-ish is normal, but I haven't had normal-ish hair in about 5 or 6 years. So I'm really excited. And I'm also debating on whether or not to cut my hair. I've cut it about 4 times in this last year and a half or so that I've been growing it out. And it always gets to a certain length and then I'm just like, I'm over it. Maybe because I had short hair for so long, or because my hair is heavy, I don't know. But I keep getting to a point where I'm like, do I really want to have long hair or do I not want to have long hair? So I am going to be quiet and we are going to just speed this up. And I think I'm going to color first. I would normally cut my hair first if I knew for sure I was going to cut it, just because why do you want to waste product and color hair that you're just going to chop off? But I'm still in the debating process of cutting the hair. So yeah, I will shut up and we will speed this up. Oh, and I do have a sheet down below me, just in case I spill anything. And normally when I'm doing like colorful hair color, or I'm bleaching my hair, I will hang a mirror behind me so that I can look in this mirror and kind of see myself, have eyes in the back of my head. And I'm not really saturating because I will go through all of my hair when I do my ends and kind of pull the color through all of my hair. So we're going to take another little section. I want to know how many of you actually have some kind of fall weather right now, because it's still been 95 degrees here and very humid, and it sucks. Oddly enough, I do sweat a lot, but mainly because of my anxiety. I think people think just because I'm bigger that I sweat a lot, but normally when I'm in my house, I'm like freezing my ass off and I get cold pretty easily. But I can go to Walmart and it'd be 12 degrees outside and start sweating like profusely. But yeah, it's still super hot here. I am ready for some actual fall weather, and that would be fantastic. I always kind of say that like I wish I lived closer to like up north or somewhere where it got cooler quicker, or where we actually had snow or had a winter. But I have friends that live in Wisconsin and friends that live in Colorado, and they're like, bitch, you do not want this weather. So again, I'm not going straight to the scalp, really focusing pretty much anywhere where it's pink at, so we can try to get rid of the pink finally out of my damn hair. It's so weird even now looking at myself with longer hair, because up until 2 years ago, when I first was pregnant, I grew my hair out, or had been growing my hair out prior to finding out I was pregnant. And I just got way too overwhelmed with my hair, and I was hot and stuff all the time, so I cut it when I was pregnant, and it was about this length. And then probably about 5-ish years ago, I guess, I grew it out again. But pretty much since I was 15 and cut my hair into a pixie, I have had very short hair. I've never wanted to have longer hair. I am making a mess. And I don't normally worry about putting any kind of Vaseline or anything like that down. I always just use makeup wipes that have an oil base to them, or I use coconut oil, and it works wonders to try, to get hair color and stuff off of your skin. Okay, so I'm going to pause. I'm going to finish this part of my hair. I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes on my bend length, and then I'm going to go up to my roots and leave those on also for about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to process and bring everything down to the ends, and then fully saturate all the hair kind of at once at that time. And then I will come back when it's all actually in, and I'll just kind of see how it's looking at that point just for 2 seconds, and then I'll go rinse it out. Y'all pray for mama. Bye. Pause. Okay, it is completely in. It's looking amazing, as dark as I hoped it was, and I think that little tiny bit of purple is going to be stunning. So, yeah, I will see you guys when I'm getting ready to, I guess, dry it or cut it. Haven't decided if I'm going to cut it yet. And I will show you all the finished product in just a little bit. And hubby's going to hit pause. Thanks!
Since I got home.
Y'all, this is the best hubby in the whole wide world. He's just helping me clean up. I just wanted to also mention too, of course I did the mid-lengths first and then my roots, but I avoid this very front area right here to the very last thing. It just, in my opinion and in my preferences or in my experiences, that tends to color pretty quickly as well, obviously, as the scalp does. And then, of course, I kind of run my fingers through and really, really saturate the ends. So now he's helping me clean my face, and he said I look high, but I'm not high. I think I'm tired or something. Say hi. Say hi, YouTube. Come here. Come here.
Not
Come
today.
here.
Not today. Come on, turn around, girl. I got ears to finish.
Damn it, I'm way too short. Okay, we'll be back. Alright, beauties, I am back. I have no idea how it looks, but Caleb and Brett both said that it's dark like I wanted, and that it does look purpley, fox cherry-ish. Oh, it does. Oh my god. I have Olaplex in it, so it's going to look kind of heavy and kind of weighed down right now. But I wanted to go ahead and put Olaplex in it, I'm going to brush it out and just kind of look in the mirror and see what I think. And then you'll either see me come back with it blow dried or chopped off. My wet brush. This is like my favorite brush of all time. It's so pretty. And I got it on sale too, so if you hear the TV and stuff, I do apologize. I have not had hair this dark in a very, very long time. This is kind of strange. Also, I had to multitask and had to go cook dinner for my son and my husband. I made some stir fry, and I'm actually really proud of myself. I'm really trying to do well and get back on track with eating well, and getting back into working out. I feel like that helps me mentally as well. And I feel like, you know, when you're kind of going strong, mind, body, and soul, things kind of fall into place a little bit better. And I feel a lot better when shit's, I guess, together, so to speak. But I am really proud of myself because I just ate the meat and the onions and peppers and stuff, and I did not eat any of the rice. So, super excited about that. And then for my lunch, I had some cottage cheese with olives. Sounds crazy, but it's delicious. Cottage cheese with tomatoes is amazing with a little bit of black pepper. Cottage cheese with peaches or pineapples is really delicious too. So I am obsessed. I love it a whole lot. I can't wait to see it dry. I'm still debating on cutting it. I don't know if I want to like blow dry it, kind of see what I think, and then go from there. I already have like a lot of layers in my hair. I've cut different layers in it over the like year or so. But I really like when my hair is down to like right here, and then I wear it kind of scrunchy. I just think it looks really pretty. And right now I feel like it just looks heavy. But that is what it looks like. Hopefully I'm in the frame. So that's what it looks like. And I will either come back, there we go. I will either come back with it straight, or dried and scrunched, or it's going to be chopped off. And when I scrunch my hair, it gets really wavy, and I really love that texture and stuff that I get in it. But if I brush it out when it's dry, that's when you guys see me, like when I first started the video, my hair is like, poof. So I love it. I love it so much. I wish the lighting in here was a little bit better. When I'm completely done, you know, either straightening it or letting it air dry and kind of scrunch up, or cutting it, then I will go to my beauty room and get into the beauty lights and let you guys see it. But I am obsessed. I love it. The color is even all the way through. I still got hair color on my scalp. Oops. Yeah, I'm pretty obsessed. And I can't wait to see me with normal hair again. I can't wait to see it dry. And also, I think the different makeup looks and stuff like that when you have darker hair. Oh, I'm excited, you guys. So now I'm rambling. But yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit, and we will see what I look like. Hey beauties! Sorry, my phone died last night. It's 7:30 in the morning, and as you can tell, I did cut my hair, and I absolutely love it. Of course, I just woke up an hour ago, so my hair's not done, nor brushed. I don't really care either. But I really love it a whole lot. It is definitely exactly what I was aiming for. And yeah, sorry that my phone died, so I couldn't show you all last night. But I love it. I cannot wait to do some bold ass makeup looks, and I'm excited for fall if we ever get fall weather here in the South. Anywho, if you color your hair, change your hair, let me know if you've done a video, or let me know on Instagram or whatever. Tag me in your new photos. I would love to see all of your beautiful fall looks, makeup, and hair. So yeah, if you like this video at all, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you tap that notification bell, I'd be even more grateful and thankful. And always remember to be your own best beautiful. Bye beauties.